Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule an email in Outlook. Start by typing your subject line. For this example, I'm using report. Then type your message in the body, something short like for TMR, and click the drop-down arrow next to the send button. A menu opens with scheduling options. Click Schedule Send. The Schedule Send dialog appears showing suggested send times, but click Custom Time to choose your own. A Set Custom Date and Time dialog opens. Pick your date and time, then click Send. That takes you back to the Schedule Send dialog. Click Send again to confirm. If you see an error saying the message must have at least one recipient, it means you need to add someone in the To field before Outlook will schedule it. You can schedule emails up to 120 hours ahead, which is 5 days. If you need to change or cancel a scheduled email after you've set it up, open your Drafts folder. Scheduled messages sit there until their send time, and you can open one to edit the time or delete it entirely. The custom time picker lets you set any time in 15-minute intervals, so you've got plenty of control over exactly when it goes out. And that's how to schedule an email in Outlook. Thanks for watching, hope this helped.